Hi guys, here we've got Redmi Note 12 Pro and let me show you how to update apps on this device. So at first open your Play Store, click on your account icon in the right upper corner and select Manage Apps and Device. Here you will notice updates, so just click on See Details. Let me just cancel it. And here you'll be able to see all apps that can be updated, and you can either update one particular app by tapping on Update right next to its icon, or you can update all by tapping on Update All. And this is it. So you can smoothly, quickly and easily activate, update apps or activate installation of the latest versions. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up.